It's always wise to, at the beginning of the process, to remove the battery. I have a pair of tweezers and a handful of mini screwdrivers. First, remove the screen cover here at the corner. You're just held on with a little bit of adhesive. There's another one right here as well. Using one of the mini screwdrivers, remove the screw. I always try to be careful to place them in an orderly fashion so I don't lose where they go back in. Using your fingernails, carefully remove the bezel, the plastic bezel, making sure not to crack it. There are 4 screws that hold kind of the LCD frame in, and then there's 4 screws that actually hold the LCD into the frame. It's not a necessity to remove the screws that hold the frame to the top of the laptop, but it makes it a lot easier to remove the screen if you remove the screws. So I'm going to do that. Oops. It's the 4th one. And then the laptop itself is held into the frame with 4 black screws. At least they're black on for this laptop. And the 4th one is right here. Alright, so now this piece of tape here holds the camera, mic, or stuff elements to the actually to the back of the screen here. So you have to carefully pull that off. And then here's the connector that you have to carefully remove. Always be careful to keep the tape if possible. Okay, so now the screen is removed, and here is the new screen. I'll come back to those pieces of tape here in a moment. I'm going to go ahead and put the connector back in. And put the tape back down. And pull a piece of tape from the other screen here. And then I'm going to put the new screen back into the frame with these original black screws that I had here. Third one and the final one. Remember, these hold the laptop screen in the frame. And then now I'm going to screw the frame back to the laptop lid. And then two last screws at the top. And go ahead and put the bezel back on. And the final two screws that hold the bezel to the laptop cover. And there you have it, replacing a screen on an Acer Aspire 1 netbook. Thanks.